Assalamu alaikum, Nazar Chauhan once again from Fords, New Jersey. Again, the same topic, why my case rather against the Muslim word, and this is volume 3. And again, what I learn from is social media and not Instagram, but Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Mostly I use them. You can always reach me, always DM me for any comment, any issue. And of course, YouTube too, where I post my vlogs. Yesterday, again, Mary Campbell surprised me. She is gradually coming up with her case about American aggression in Israel. And today, like she posted that it's better to have Russia, China, and Turkey as the arbiter. America cannot be the arbiter in the case of Israel-Palestine controversy because of Iran, so it's bad. Yesterday on one her post, I remarked that you are a very brave girl. I am really impressed. I have not been till now impressed with any Muslim person who could dare so much, who could speak the truth. Her reply was very, very interesting. Nazar, I am really surprised why people are scared or afraid of speaking the truth. I'm not sure. Her reply was, I'm not sure why people are afraid of speaking the truth. In this volume, I tell you the answer. Answer is following the material word. All those who are following this material word, these BMWs and these label branded shoppings and 6-digit salaries, though Mary Campbell has a beautiful profile, a graduate of St. Andrews University, working in SAP, and normally on the LinkedIn you bring in topics related to the jobs and to the financial condition, but she has come up with this political debate, especially supporting the Muslims in this. Unfortunately, Muslims are very apologetic, very compromising, since their deeds are against to what they profess. Yesterday, I went to my dentist and there was a new entrant, and he was a Palestinian from Chicago, and till the time he didn't know that I am a Muslim, he thought I am an Indian. He was like, okay, normal person, no more pleasantries. But when he came to know I am a Muslim, he said, Jazakallah bil khair, Jazakallah bil khair, and started almost jumping on me. If you want to increase your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn followings, simply write on your ID description, MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, Jazakallah bil khair, I am a Muslim. And if a madman like Nazar Chauhan come across your post, he will write that you are a biggest hypocrite ever born on this God's earth. Why we say Jazakallah, MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah? Why? God resides inside our heart. We are part of God. Wahdatul Wajood, I believe. We are part of God. And it's related to intentions. Good intentions, bad intentions. When I first day came here in USA, 7-8 years back, people told me in one of the blogs I hit Ahmadi Muslims and in another Hindus. They said that, in USA you cannot survive and they will kill you, they will do blah blah. I said, okay, I will run a series of vlogs against Hinduvata and against Ahmadi caste of Muslim. I did, nothing happened. Nothing happened because I am an absolutely clean person. Where they can pick me up? God resides inside me. If God is willing that I'll be killed by them, I'll be killed by them. This is how I used to fight mafias inside Pakistan. Very simple. Here too. And Mary was saying, you were also a broadcaster on exile. Why did you go on exile? I said, that's the problem why I had to leave Pakistan, which I incidentally didn't want to leave. It's hypocrisy. Why? What leads to hypocrisy? Our material lust. Our material lust. Why? Or power. Why can't we speak the truth that this is a fact? This is a fact. This is the truth. Why can't we speak? Today, Pakistan military chief at Corps Commanders Conference, which is the very highest level conference. And he mentioned there regarding the flood relief task, military is basically in charge and helping out in the field. In his press release, they thanked civil administration, civil government in being part of relief efforts and did well. Nowhere they mentioned word Islamic relief. And if you asked how much Islamic relief has spent in Pakistan up till now on flood relief, and $1 million they are giving to Wasim Akram for fundraising from USA, you will be aghast to know that there is no acknowledgement except the photo shoots of that illiterate Mr. Wasim Ahmed, the CEO Islamic Relief. Yesterday my daughter was saying that you were very right, Dad. Actually, ICNA is little better, but yes, they are just the virtual. Now, so much of... They are befooling people. Islam says, spend on people. Islam says, don't save. Okay, look, I don't need any... I have severed contact with everyone I had in the group, except Isa, one boy, who I didn't break contacts with him, because he said that you be my teacher. Nobody is willing to digest my plain talk. Nobody. And I am the hero for Mary Campbell. I am the hero for Magdalena Grosso, the top financial expert in Romania. I am the hero for Australian writer. I am a hero for Alison Moss, living in Washington State. So this is very bad. This is extremely bad, that why we can't speak the truth. Religions, I tell you, are only a path to reaching the bliss, the nirvana, like the Buddhists. Buddha didn't say it's religion. Similarly, Muhammad, peace be upon him, didn't say it's religion. I came across a Hindu guy in bus 2 days back, and he said about Muslim Hindus, he started speaking. He said all religions are panth, but Hinduism is dharam. I said, what is dharam? He said, like relating religion with nature. I said, Muhammad, peace be upon him, also related, Buddha also related, and the pagans. I have attended pagan festival, is Wadatul Shuhud. So what is panth? Panth is created stuff. Now look, that guy is saying Hinduism is dharam and that is panth. All is dukandari, business. All is sheer business. Come out of it. Speak the truth. Life is not forever. Do not compromise. I had everything on my side. I was rubbing shoulders with rich and famous. I wore top branded clothes. I saw whole the world. I have seen 37 states here in America. Okay? Nobody touched me. I'm so independent. Do not leave your uniqueness. Do not leave your independence, your freedom. You would be loved. Love nature. I embrace trees. Follow the true spirit of Uswa Hasana, Muhammad, peace be upon him. I'll continue this debate in 2 more volumes. Stay tuned. Allah Negeba.